Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build LEGO bricks. So today we're going to be looking at a set number 60146 from LEGO City and is released in 2016. So without further ado, let's get started. This set comes with one minifigure and that is this stunt truck driver that we have over here. So this driver has a black top with grey gloves and bright orange trousers, and on the torso over here we've got some interesting prints. We've got the word Extreme over here with a big green X and a very shiny silvery X over there, and we also have a sort of white band going at the base of the black torso. We have a standard white helmet with an opening tinted visor like this, and his face over here is very hyped up and excited. And if we go around to look at the back, we've got another silver X and the word Treem over there and another white band going below that. So the main part of this set obviously is this racing / stunt truck that we have here. So this truck is meant to look like a monster truck or a sort of oversized small truck sitting on these 17mm gold wheel rims and these rather chunky tires over here. Now looking at the front over here, we have some ordinary white headlights over here, and it seems like we have some extra yellow headlights on this sort of cage at the front too. We've got a little bit of styling underneath there as well. Over here on the front of the bonnet we've got some orange slopes. One of them has a sticker on it, number 46, just like this. We also have a black slope jutting out of the front here to give it, I suppose this would be a turbo duct inlet, and on the sides over here we have some pretty high up mud guards done in orange, and over here on the rear we have them done in black. Now looking over here on the side, this truck has very decent ground clearance, a full 2 centimeters in this space over here so it can handle rough terrain. And if we take this wheel off over here to get a closer look at the makeshift suspension that we have over here, this is an actual suspension, just sort of imitated suspension made out of these red loudspeakers. Now on the side of the cabin over here we have some more stickers as well. We've got this tile over here, this black tile going over here, mirrored on the other side. This sticker is 46 with the Extreme logo as well as we saw on our driver, and some sort of pixely design, orange merging in with the black there. We also have these panel pieces on the side instead of doors, and they also have stickers on them called Smooth Racing Oil. Over here on the cab itself we have a low-lying tinted windscreen over here, very low set, and we have this removable roof over here. Now this is white with another sticker on it, 46 Extreme, loads of pixely design over there. It just sits on these 2 studs over here, and it rests on this sort of rail piece just to hold the back end to stop it falling on the inside. And on the inside we have space for one minifigure over there and a blue steering wheel. Now at the back we have a slightly different colour scheme to the front, that was orange. Over here at the back we've got some white blending in with black, as you can see. So we've got some white slope pieces going round the back over here and some black sloping grill pieces and another slope piece to help round off the roof section over here. If we have a look at the very back bumper, we have 2 red brake lights over here, needs to be road legal, and we have a number plate which is a sticker on a tile, BE60146, which is the name of this set. We also have a little bit of ground clearance as well at the back over here with this cheese slope going up like this, and we have 2 exhaust pipes as well. And finally we have this large spoiler at the back over here which has a great big 4x2 tile over here with another big sticker over here. So this is just 46 with X's all over it, and we also have more of those sloping grill pieces at the back, and this is on some clips and handles, so it just you can alternate it in different positions as you like. And overall this truck only measures 12 centimeters in length and 6 centimeters in width, so it's very nice and easy to grab and drive around. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!